Well, hello there. Welcome to our channel. It's very nice to have you here. This video, I want to show you the best date picker in Power BI. Okay, you're not going to regret it because it is true. So if you use date filters in your dashboard, and that's the case for most of us, Power BI has a very good date slicer, very simple, but there's a custom visual I want to show you that I've been using for a while now, and it's in next level, right? So it will take your dashboard to the next level. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give your like, your thumbs up, and leave your comments below so we can keep bringing you good content in data intelligence. Okay, let's go. Alrighty, so I have this dashboard. It's a sample data size called Superstore dashboard. And I have this view, right? It's a product view. No, not this one. Let's use this sales team. Yeah, I think this one has a date slicer. So it's a very nice view showing total sales for the month. But the slicer for the date, as you can see, is set so the user can only select 1 month at a time, which is good. For this visual, it works. But what if you want to use a different date slicer? Okay, if you select this date slicer right here, and you go into the formatting, you'll see all the different options you have. Okay, you have most of them are regarding to the formatting of the text, the color, and some slicer options. You can have a drop down or a vertical list, right? In this case, drop down would be the best option, and you can have single select or not, right? But that's pretty much it. You don't have much configuration or any features to customize your date slicer better. So I want to show you a custom visual that Power BI actually endorses. They have the in their latest March updates, they actually highlighted this custom visual. So I think that's very interesting. So in order for you to add that, you need to go to your build tab. You click on the 3 dots here. You click on this button, get more visuals. It will take you to the App Store for Power BI. And you can type in the search bar date picker. That's the guy. See, by True Viz, they have a bunch of other visuals as well. But if you click on here, it will show you kind of a preview of what you can expect. You can already see that it has a lot more features or a lot of more custom options for you. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. And I got a message, it was imported successfully. You'll see that the custom visuals now are below this line here in your build visuals. And now you have that visual, and I can simply select this one and change that one instead of being a simple slicer into this date picker one. So I can click on that. I'm getting an error message. It says only date type columns are allowed. Probably because I use this year, and that's actually a text. I create a custom column to just extract the year out of my date. So I just remove that field in here. I'll open my calendar table, and I'll just drag the date field in the date. Okay, and you can see that they have other options here. You can add a calendar with the holidays, with some other information. But for now, I just want to show you simply and easy how can you customize it so it looks good. You're greeted with this kind of tutorial on how you can configure and make sure the settings are all right for you. So I'll just hit next, 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 and done. And now I have this date picker on top of my chart. So let me put that, let me move that if I can. Okay, there we go. Yeah, for some weird reason, it's not allowing me to move, but it's fine, okay? So if I click on the select date, it's not showing anything because of the size. So let me actually make this bigger. So you see, when I click, it opens and pops up this small window showing the 2 months side-by-side calendar. It's too small, right? So I want to change that. You can click and toggle on the little gear up here so you can change the settings for that one view. It opens this nice window with all the different settings, right? So you can select a date range, or you can select something else. In this case, let's leave as a date range. And on the left menu, you have more options. So instead of the canvas, which is always open, I want to do it a pop-up, right? So when the user clicks on the button, it pops up the calendar picker. I think that's nicer use of the real estate space you have in your dashboard, at least in this example. You can have a date range or start end, month style. I want to select a single. I don't want 2 months showing up at the same time. You can change the first day of the week, ellipse, square. I'll just hit apply. and it will just preview what that would look like. So if I click on the select date, I'm granted with this brand new view with just 1 month. So let's see what that looks like back in my report. Okay, so I have the button here. Let me click away. I'll click on the button, and now it pops up this date picker, and very nice, clean, nice looking, and it's very easy and intuitive, right? As you hover over your mouse, you click on the first day, and then you click on the last day, and then you click OK, right? And it filters your data based off of that selection, and it shows like from when to when for the user. And they have also different options. They can select just today, yesterday, but you can see that today it's strike through because there are no data for those specific dates, right? So I think that's very nice formatting for the user as well. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, as you saw, there are a bunch of other settings that you can change. I'm not going to go in depth because it's very intuitive for you to play with. You can change the colors, the formatting of the font, and all of that. But I think that this is a very nice way of showcasing the date picker instead of having that default slicer, which is good, right? But maybe your dashboard is very nice and you're looking in different ways to up the game, right? Bring it to the next level. So I think this is a nice touch you can add, and it's a free visual, right? They do have some paid features, but for the basic stuff, that's pretty much what you usually use for on a date picker. It works well. Okay, so I hope you like it. If so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave the thumbs up so I can continue bringing good content for you. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time.